So this is long overdue, but my sister and a friend both asked if I had a bike to ride. And I do, but it needs an inner tube. So I'm going to replace it today. On most modern mountain bikes, you'll have this quick release to get the wheel off. So you just release it and it's free. You can loosen it a little bit too, if that helps. Then you just take the wheel out and away from the chain. Next, I am going to remove the tire from the rim. First, I'm going to take out the valve stem cover or valve stem cap. And then you can take the inner tube and the tire off all together. So that's what I'm going to do. And if it's completely flat, it's very easy. Set the rim aside. And now I'm going to take the inner tube out. So this part stays on the rim. So I will put this back on. Find the hole, which is right here. And this keeps these sharp parts off of the inner tube where the spokes come in. So now, the new inner tube. And it comes with a new cap. Nice and green. So now I'm going to put the new inner tube in le tire. So the valve is there. So I'm going to find the hole on the rim. Boom, it's right there. I'm going to stick the valve through and put the cap on. Then I'm going to line up the rim, inner tube, and tire. So now what you have is a flat tire. All the tire is inside the lip of the rim on both sides. Now, time to pump it up. And you can hear the tire seating itself on the rim. All right, so now it's pumped up. Put the cap on and it's ready to go back on the bike. Now I'll just put the wheel back on the bike. And that's all there is to it.